This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Rick Carter. You must see this completely renovated, move-in ready home in the heart of Park Ridge. Granite counters, new stainless steel appliances, new cabinets, subway tile backsplash in kitchen. All new laminate wood flooring. New windows, new bathroom vanities. Master suite with bathroom and walk-in closet. 2 other large bedrooms. Finished 1-car garage. This place is immaculate. Close to shopping. Minutes from the Blue Lynx line. Minutes to I-77 and I-485. Private backyard is part of a large 0.25+ acre lot. For more information, review the details below.